Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. Today's video we are talking about how Uber has not only refused to raise rates for drivers amidst a record high of inflation over the past 40 years, Uber is actually cutting rates according to many drivers. And I want to hear from you. How have your rates been? And they've done this by eliminating bonuses. They've eliminated the gas surcharge for so many drivers. They are just lowering the per mile rate and per minute rate. So again, we're gonna get into the details, but please thumbs it up. And first, I did want to thank our sponsor. So our sponsor of today's video is Solo, and I just wanted to share with you all what Solo is. Solo is an app that pays drivers a guaranteed rate. If you do go to the partnerships page, by the way, you do see that we are featured here, the Rideshare Hub. There's a lot of other really cool creators as well, such as the Rideshare Guy, if you've seen his channel. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the news. This comes on Reddit, in the Uber drivers Reddit group, which I check almost daily, and somebody posted, is anybody still getting bonuses? I haven't seen one in weeks. All I've gotten is the multipliers. So this guy is saying that he's no longer getting bonuses. This guy says, you get quests, you get multipliers, you know, alluding to the fact that he doesn't get any, or yeah. He says they're low in New Jersey, 10 bucks for 20 rides. That's 50 cents per ride. That's really low. I haven't seen it that low in a long time. Mine is 20 rides for 35 bucks. After 4.5 years of getting none in Milwaukee, I've had them stop for the past 3 weeks. Too bad I do this very part-time. Also too bad that Lyft's quests were actually better. I've heard the same. I've heard that Lyft is actually now raising their bonuses and Uber is decreasing theirs. So, I mean, this is a game. Lyft, as you can see here, just launched this $3,500 guaranteed for 200 rides. That's over $17 per ride guaranteed. That's actually really good because, you know, the average driver earns about $10 a ride. At least that's what I've been getting. But yeah, guys, I've also heard from in our Facebook group that drivers are getting less and less pay as well. Just for Uber, not really for Lyft. I've heard Lyft is actually doing pretty good right now. And this comes almost across the whole nation. But yeah, in our Facebook group, we have so many drivers reporting that they're quitting driving as well. Cosman Michele says he went out and did one ride for Lyft. He made over $280. There's a lot of, what is this? Play Octopus. No advertising my group. Delete this guy, block him. Sorry. Only I'm allowed to advertise. It's my group. Hello, Saturday. I'm ready to get my money. I love this. I like that post. That's pretty cool. Can you download the earnings activity info for particular? If you like, you will learn so much in this. Gosh, I need to block all these people. Everybody's advertising my group. Yeah, guys. But anyways, wanted to share this quick update. Let me know how you've been. This is not rideshare related. Gosh, our group is getting crazy. Let me know how your earnings have been with Uber and Lyft and which one's better for you right now. And again, you know, do us a favor and check out Solo. As you can see, the group is sponsored by Solo and they have guaranteed pay, tax projections, mileage tracking, earnings boosts for drivers. And when you sign up, as you can see here, $15 to every driver who signs up with our link, which is right below. You gotta link your account when you do that, your gig account, and type in your Venmo or PayPal to get your money. And they deposit that on every Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. And until next time, this has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. Do you guys want merch? Should we give away some merch? Let me know. All right, bye guys.